Today we will show you how to use your Garmin Fusion Stereo's Bluetooth features. For this video, we will be using a Garmin Fusion MS-RA770 and a compatible Apple iPhone with the Fusion Audio app installed, but the process is similar for Android smartphones and tablets. First, ensure your compatible smartphone's Bluetooth is enabled. Next, select Source on your Fusion Marine Stereo. Select Bluetooth. Next, select the menu button. Select Bluetooth. Select Connections. Then select Discoverable. The stereo will remain discoverable for 2 minutes. Now navigate to Settings on your compatible smartphone. Select Bluetooth. Locate and select your stereo. Ensure the pairing codes match. Then select Pair. Next, open the Fusion Audio app once the stereo has successfully been paired. The Fusion Audio app will search and list all available stereos if this is the first time you have opened the Fusion Audio app. Select the stereo you wish to control. The control screen contains the options to play, pause, forward, and back. It also includes volume control, source selector, zone volume, sub-level control, presets, and the menu button can also be found here. Select the gear icon to access settings. The Music tab contains settings for zones such as phone volume sync, power on volume limit, and the internal amplifier on-off switch. Next, select the General tab. There are several options here similar to the settings on your stereo. Select Stereo. This allows you to switch the stereo the app is currently controlling. Tuner Region allows you to select which region you use your stereo in. Device Name allows you to assign or give a custom name to the stereo. Tel Mute sets the stereo behavior when it detects signal on the Tel Mute wire. Searching enables the Fusion Alpha search technology to allow you to quickly search for tracks by letter or number. Airplay Password allows you to assign or change the Airplay password. NRX Power toggles the power supply to an NRX remote powered from the stereo. Source allows access to settings for each available source, such as Source Enabled and Group Enabled toggle, Source Name, and for Bluetooth source, Auto Connect toggle. Software Updates allows you to download and start the update process for the stereo and remotes. Select DSP Profiles to install any updated DSP profiles. Factory Reset allows you to restore your stereo to its default settings. Tech support links to the Garmin Support Center page for the Fusion Audio app. Lastly, the About tab displays the Fusion Audio app version, stereo and remote software versions, DAB module version, and the stereo serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit marinesupport.garmin.com.